To fix the Beats Solo only one side not working error, start by checking the headset's physical condition for any signs of damage or wear. Inspect the ear cups, headband, and cables for any visible damage. If you find any damage, it may be the cause of the issue. Next, try resetting the headset by turning it off and then back on. This can often resolve connectivity issues. If the problem persists, check the audio settings on your device to ensure that the headset is selected as the default audio output. You should also check the audio cable for any damage or debris. If you are using a wireless Beats Solo, try resetting the Bluetooth connection by putting the headset in pairing mode and then reconnecting it to your device. If the issue is still not resolved, try cleaning the headphone jack or charging port. Dirt and debris can accumulate and cause connectivity issues. Use a soft brush or a cotton swab to gently clean out any debris. Another possible cause of the issue is a faulty or damaged driver. If you have tried all the above steps and the problem persists, you may need to contact the manufacturer or a professional repair service to have the driver replaced. To prevent this issue in the future, make sure to handle your Beats Solo with care. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture, and regularly clean the headset and its components. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Beats Solo only one side not working error and get back to enjoying your music. It is also recommended to update your device's operating system and Beats Solo firmware to the latest version, as this can often resolve connectivity and audio issues. Additionally, if your Beats Solo is still under warranty, you may be able to get it repaired or replaced for free. By troubleshooting the issue step by step and taking preventative measures, you can resolve the problem and ensure that your Beats Solo continues to function properly.